English 5, Week 3, Compound and Complex Sentence, to show cause and effect and problem solution relationship ideas. So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clauses. There are two kinds of conjunctions, the coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. Pag sinabi natin conjunctions, ito yung mga salita na ginagamit para pagsamahin ang dalawang pangungusap. Okay, clauses or sentences. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay pangungusap. Clauses is the other term for sentences. An independent clause is often called the main clause. It has a subject and a verb and can stand alone because it expresses a complete thought. A dependent clause or subordinating clause has a subject and a verb but cannot stand alone because it does not express a complete thought. So, ibig sabihin, pag independent clause, kaya niya mag-isa, naiintindihan yung sentence kahit walang tulong ng dependent clause. Hindi katulad ng dependent clause, kaya nga yung sinabing dependent, kailangan niya ng tulong ng independent clause para maiintindihan yung pangungusap yun. Example, my mother bakes pineapple cake because my sister celebrates her birthday. Our independent clause here is my mother bakes pineapple cake. Bakit sinabing independent clause yan? Kasi kaya niyang mag-stand alone kahit walang dependent clause. Ano yung dependent clause? Because my sister celebrates her birthday. Kumbaga, si nanay ay gumawa ng pineapple cake. Okay, independent yun. Tapos, yung dependent kasi birthday ng kapatid ko. Okay? Pag yung kulay green na nasa box na dependent clause, ay walang kasama independent clause. Sasabihin mo lang, kasi birthday ng kapatid ko. May thought ba yun? May idea ba yun? Diba wala? Kasi birthday ng kapatid ko. Wala. Pero doon sa independent clause, si nanay ay gumawa ng pineapple cake. Okay, independent yun. Kasi naiintindihan mo naman. Pero pag dependent, hindi. Okay, so alin dyan ang conjunctions? Ito yung because. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung salitang because ang nagdudugtong sa dalawang pangungusap. My mother bakes pineapple cake. My sister celebrates her birthday. So yung ating conjunctions dyan ay because. So meron tayong compound sentence. A compound sentence contains two independent clauses. These two clauses are usually connected by the coordinating conjunctions that stand for fanboys. Natandaan nyo yung fanboys. Ang fanboys ay ginagamit sa compound sentence. Ano yung fanboys? Ito yung conjunctions niyan. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So this fanboys is used for compound sentence. Again, compound sentence ha, fanboys. A complex sentence contains an independent clause and a dependent clause which are usually connected by subordinating conjunctions that can be remembered as white balls. So ano yun? Although, after, when, if, that, even though, because, until, unless, since. Okay, so this, a white bus, is used for complex sentence. Again, complex sentence ha. Ang tawag natin dito sa a white bus ay subordinating conjunctions. Let's proceed. Ito, para mas madali natin maintindihan. Type of sentence. So, sa type of sentence, meron tayong compound and complex sentence, ha? So, okay, type of conjunctions. Pag ang conjunction ay fanboys, o yun, sample conjunctions natin, fanboys, ang tawag dun ay coordinating conjunction. Okay? Sa complex, subordinating. Ano yung subordinating conjunctions ng complex sentence? A white bus. Okay? Formation of sentence, sa compound sentence, independent clause plus independent clause. So, ibig sabihin, ginagamit ang compound sentence sa dalawang independent clause. Okay? Sa complex naman, ang formation of sentence nun ay isang independent clause at dependent clause. Okay? Study natin. Yan ang ating type of sentence para mas madali natin na i-intindihan. Next, proceed. The effect tells us what happens, while cause tells us why it happens. A problem is a situation that involves a conflict which can be a source of trouble or worry. A solution is a way to solve a problem. So, a cause and effect and problem solution ang topic natin. So, kung sinabing effect, tells us what happens. Ano ang nangyari. Yung effect. Yung cause, why it happens. So, pag problema, hahanapan natin ng solusyon. So, that is cause and effect and problem solution. So, let us use this in a sentence. Okay? To show cause and effect and problem solution relationship in a compound sentence, use the coordinating conjunctions and, for, and so. A comma is placed before the conjunction. Okay, huwag kakalimutan ng comma. Sample. Mother noticed my failing grades, so she hired me a tutor. Okay, let us look for the cause and effect. So, where is our cause here? Our cause here is mother noticed my failing grades. Napansin ng aking ina ang mababang grado ko. Ayan. So, yun yung cause. So, anong gagawin niya? Of course, the effect, she hired me a tutor. Naghanap siya ng magtuturo. So, yun yung effect. Alin dito yung coordinating conjunctions? So, yung so. Kaya ito ay tinatawag natin compound sentence kasi ang clue natin ay yung paggamit ng fanboys. Diba? Yung letter S dun sa fanboys ay so. So, our sentence is a compound sentence. Let us look for the cause and effect and the problem solution. Okay, so, same sentence. Solution natin, she hired me a tutor. Ano yung problem? Mother noticed my failing grades. And again, our coordinating conjunctions is so. So, problem solution is same as cause and effect. To show cause and effect relationship in a complex sentence, use the subordinating conjunctions because, since, so that, although, whereas, while, when, and even though. Remember to place a comma after the dependent clause when used at the beginning of the sentence. Okay? So, ito yun. Huwag natin kakalimutan yung comma. So, kanina, compound tayo, compound sentence. Now, let's proceed to complex. Okay? Ano yung clue natin? Bakit complex? Kasi a white bus. Yung salitang because. So, let us look for the cause and effect. So, what is our cause? He lost his phone. Nawala niya yung cellphone niya. Anong effect? Juanito is afraid to face his father. Natatakot siyang makita ang kanyang ama kasi nga nawala nga yung phone niya. So, cause and effect. Where is our subordinating conjunctions? Because. Diba? Sabi natin, a white bus, yun ay subordinating conjunction ng complex sentence. Okay, so same as problem solution. Diba? Ang problem natin, yung cause. He lost his phone. Effect natin, yun yung magiging problem solution. Yung kanyang Juanito is afraid to face his phone. Next, To show problem-solution relationship in a complex sentence, use the subordinating conjunctions because, since, so that, in order that, that is why, when, and even though. Yan. So, ito yung example natin. Cecilia finds it is hard to learn math. That is why she asked someone to help her. So, ito yung cause natin. Nahihirapan si Cecilia sa pag-aaral ng math. Anong effect? Naghanap siya ng tutulong sa kanya. At ito ang ating subordinating conjunction. That is why. Bakit ulit tinawag na subordinating yan? Kasi ang ating sentence ay complex sentence. Okay? So, thank you for listening. So, yun yung lesson natin.